Good morning. There are seven fundamental physical quantities and two supplementary units. So, how these units of these fundamental physical quantities that has been determined? I mean to say that the length of these unit measurement of all the fundamental physical quantities, how it was decided. So, we will in our syllabus we have three different units, how their lengths that has been decided, that was given. So, we will first of all discuss about length. So, many research it has been done to find the length of 1 meter, that is the unit of length. So, what is the what actually path is taken into consideration as a 1 meter. So, in the year 1983, it was decided that the path which is travelled by light in the time interval, that is 1 upon 2.99 approximately into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So, the path which is traced by light in this interval, that is 1 upon 2.99 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. In this interval, whatever the path the light has travelled in vacuum during this interval, that path travelled is called as 1 meter. So, there are different methods of measurement of length. Some method are a direct method and some method are indirect method. So, direct method, in which the instruments which are used for smallest measurements, like the well known instrument which we use in our day to day life, that is the scale, and it has least measurement or least count of it is 0.1 meter. So, scale is the very basic instrument which is used for the measurement of length. Another, the more let us say, if small sphere is there and if we want to measure its diameter, that cannot be measured with the help of scale in accurately. So, for that purpose we use the meter, that is called as vernier caliper. So, vernier caliper is the instrument which is used for the measurement of length, smallest length, and the least count for vernier caliper, it is 0.01 meter. More precisely, if let us say, if we want to measure the diameter of this hair, human hair or the things like hair, if we want to measure its diameter, then we use instrument called as micrometer screw gauge. So, these are the instruments. This is meter scale. These are the instruments with the help of which we can directly measure the distances, which is in terms of a standard, that is meter. So, least count of micrometer screw gauge, it is 0.001 meter. So, these are the smallest measurement and that can be done with the help of direct method. So, direct method, in which we use instruments directly. There is another method that is called as indirect method. So, in indirect method, like the distances between planets, suppose this is one planet, this is another planet, and if we want to measure distance between these two planets, then we cannot directly go and measure it with the help of rope or scale or anything, any instrument which I just now stated. With the help of that, we cannot measure these distances. So to measure these distances, we take a help of either geometry or trigonometry, and we used to measure these distances indirectly, as well as distances of far heavenly objects like moon, sun, or any stars and planets, any stars from the earth or from any other star, or from planets from the surface of earth. There are distances that cannot be measured with the help of these systems stated just now. We call it as a direct measurement. We don't go to these places directly. We take a help of trigonometry. Either we take a help of trigonometry, or by using geometry we measure these distances, because these distances are very large, and we measure these distances in terms of astronomical units. That is astronomical units. In this direct method, again some things like microscopic, these are about macroscopic objects which we can see with our eyes without using any instrument. So macroscopic objects that can be measured and which are in our range, that can be measured with the help of using these instruments. But